What if I told you that the key to living a fulfilled life has been around for over 2 millennia? Today, we're diving into the timeless wisdom of Stoicism, a philosophy that has guided some of history's greatest minds. Whether you're facing challenges, seeking inner peace, or striving to become the best version of yourself, these 10 Stoic quotes will transform your perspective and your life. Quote 1. Marcus Aurelius. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Imagine standing in a storm, chaos swirling around you, yet within you remain calm, unshaken. Marcus Aurelius reminds us that true power lies not in controlling the external, but in mastering our inner world. How often do we let external events dictate our emotions? The strength we seek is within us. Quote 2. Seneca. We suffer more in imagination than in reality. Picture this. The anxiety before a big presentation, the fear of an uncertain future. Seneca tells us that our minds often create more suffering than reality ever could. What if we could let go of these imagined fears and face life with courage? This quote invites us to challenge our perceptions and embrace a calmer, more rational approach to life. Quote 3. Epictetus. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. Life is unpredictable. We will face setbacks, disappointments, and challenges. But Epictetus teaches us that our power lies in our response. We can choose resilience over despair, learning over bitterness. How will you choose to respond to life's next challenge? Marcus Aurelius. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. Your mind is a garden, your thoughts the seeds. Marcus Aurelius encourages us to cultivate thoughts that lead to happiness and fulfillment. Are you planting seeds of positivity, or are you allowing weeds of negativity to take over? It's time to tend to your mental garden. Quote 5. Seneca. It is not the man who has too little, but the man who craves more that is poor. In a world obsessed with more money, more success, more recognition, Seneca's words cut through the noise. True wealth isn't about accumulation. It's about contentment. What do you truly need to live a rich life? Perhaps it's less than you think. Quote 6. Epictetus. Freedom is the only worthy goal in life. It is won by disregarding things that lie beyond our control. Imagine the weight lifted from your shoulders when you stop trying to control the uncontrollable. Epictetus offers a path to true freedom, focusing only on what is within our control. What can you let go of today to gain more freedom? Quote 7. Marcus Aurelius. When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, to love. Every day is a gift, a new opportunity to experience life in all its richness. Marcus Aurelius reminds us to start each day with gratitude, seeing the beauty in the simple act of being alive. How will you embrace this day? Quote 8. Seneca. Luck is what happens when preparation meets opportunity. Ever wonder why some people seem luckier than others? Seneca gives us the answer. Luck isn't random. It's a byproduct of preparation. Are you ready for the opportunities life will present you with? The work you do today lays the foundation for tomorrow's success. Quote 9. Epictetus. No man is free who is not master of himself. Freedom begins with self-mastery. Epictetus challenges us to govern our impulses, emotions, and desires. Are you truly free? Or are you a slave to your habits and emotions? The journey to freedom starts with self-discipline. Quote 10. Marcus Aurelius. Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be. Be one. Actions speak louder than words. Marcus Aurelius calls us to embody the virtues we admire, to live our values daily. What does it mean to you to be a good person? Don't just talk about it, live it. The wisdom of the Stoics offers us guidance on how to live with purpose, resilience, and tranquility. These quotes are not just words, they are tools for transformation. Which quote resonated with you the most? How will you apply this wisdom to your life today? Remember, true change begins with action. So start now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more timeless wisdom and practical advice.